I'm gonna cook from this book tonight. I decided to do the Sancocho, which looks fantastic. Just because I have most of the ingredients. Hopefully it's going to be as delicious as this looks, no? This is Diasporican, a Puerto Rican cookbook by Illiana Maisonet. And the pictures are muy delicioso. Island foods are so vibrant anyways, the colors, and you have the opportunity to make something look so yummy. This is like a kind of version of Asian food. And I really loved how they plated things in kind of traditional Puerto Rican cookery. So much of my family has this bandeja with this top on it. There's a lot of protein, of animal protein in Puerto Rican cooking, but there's also an immense amount of vegetables. There's so much vegetables. Oh, that looks really good.